in the grammar class, and also our teacher seriously tell us, so you need to follow the structure of sentences. So I think it's crucial, but not very essential to most of time we're thinking about how we can structure the sentences, and how, as Wahidullah mentioned, that we are human, and also human made a mistake. We are not the native speaker of English, so we should take very easy.
Yeah.
That's great. Mariam, please go ahead. What's your take on this?
So for me, I want to practice English for my work. I agree with you, because in my work, people just speak Arabic, French, and they learn English and just speak. They will make mistakes all the time in the grammar, but they can speak with other people from other countries, and they can communicate it. That's why I'm here now. So
yeah,
I will just speak and practice the language, and you can communicate with everyone.
Yeah, guys, I couldn't agree more, Mariam. Like English, learning a new language is like to understanding each other or sharing your information. Like if you understand the message from the other guys, so it's mean that you know something, you understand the message, what they are talking about, what they want, you know their feelings about something. So that's the message of language. It's not that, and when you are learning a new language, guys, some guys want to, and their fear of judgment, like some people when they are talking, so they fear of judgment, like when I made a mistake, so people will laugh on me, I will become a laughing stock for these guys. And it is totally normal, like when you are learning a new language, so it's always we will be with the mistakes and failure. So, and if you look at the most successful guys in the whole globe, like how they achieve their goals, how they become so healthy and wealthy in their life. So they have gone through a lot in their life in order to achieve these peaks in their life.
Yeah, same. Like at first, I thought the accent was important, but now my opinion has changed because the number 4, what is your name? Wahidullah, like your vocabulary is really great. I'm wondering how you how your brain can memorize all these words.
No, I'm not memorizing words. I'm just learning from the context, and you are giving me compliments. So that's so great of you. It's show that you are so positive in your life.
Yeah.
You're giving compliment to other guys. So thank you so much.
Yeah, but right now my opinion has changed because right now I'm think that like the most important step when you're learning English is grammar, of course, and then you're moving to the accent.
Yeah. So Bechor, welcome to the room. Please introduce yourself and tell about your journey in English language.
I think the name is Bashir.
Bashir. My name is Bashir.
Oh, from Tunisia.
Hello, my name is Bashir. I'm from Tunisia.
That's great. So in Afghanistan, I'm from Afghanistan, so we can't pronounce these names.
What?
So it's kind of different from our accent, Bashir. How about Rain? What do you think, Rain? You are being so silent.
Somebody told me, learn English just like a baby speak. At first, they can't write, they can't speak, but they can listen. And a few years, they can speak it out. So I agree with you. Number 4, at first we should listen and listen.
Yeah.
Wahidullah, how long
Yeah.
have you followed the Hello Talks?
So to be honest with you, brother, I was following other app and they complete the app, and I think it's totally
Can we
different
please
from
ask
this one.
someone who's
But now I'm
from like United Kingdom or United States, please?
I'm a newcomer, about 13 days.
Welcome, newcomer WSG. Please unmute yourself.
For about 13 days. I just on this.
Wahidullah, I'm waiting for your experience.
Yeah, I've been on this app for almost 15 days. Like, I'm a newcomer, but I was utilizing other app by the name of Hello for 6 months. But I think they completely changed the face of that. Now there's no native speaker. They use all things in AI, artificial intelligence. So it's not looking like authentic. Like it's a kind of you're talking to a robot or machine. So you can't share your feelings with AI or robots. So I uninstalled that app and I found this app on ChatGPT. Like I searched on that, like what is the best app for to speak with native speakers or to find a new friends. So they show me this app and I install, and now I'm enjoying myself right here.
Yes. Exactly. What's your recommendation? I think it's better than others platforms like as you mentioned in the previous. There is people from different country and different culture, and also instead that we can learn more information about the different culture, religions, and also language.
Yeah, you can express your idea with other international learners. You can exchange your culture. At the meantime, you can enhance your English language or other languages. So you are enriching your knowledge. You are educating yourself about different topics, and you can find great friends who will be getting along with you very well. They will be motivating you and encouraging you to do best in your life. And you also enjoy your free time right here. So I think it's really outstanding app for learners and those who have goals and objectives in their life. So in my own opinion, I don't know about others.
Thank you. Yes, since 3D, I also using these apps. One of my colleagues recommend me, and I am super interested. But unfortunately, our schedule is so busy. But in the night shift, I try to get time for that to spend around 13 or 14 on around one years, and also it's from my side also so important for me, and I have learned a lot of things. Particularly I was super from the English for a long time, and my confidence was so low, but during 3 day also my confidence enhance, and also nowadays I can talk for around 2 or 3 minutes.
Yeah, so Guys, if you have a question, like write on the comment. We will read it and maybe